Hi, this is Amulya. Today I am here to explain about week 10 lab of Enterprise Resource Systems. We have done two tasks in this specific lab. The first one was to display storage bin. In order to display the storage bin, we have to click on the app display storage bin, which is in the work management, and we have to enter the warehouse number and also a storage type. Here we have to enter the warehouse number. Even if you press F4, it will display the different types of storages, and we have to select the specific one, that is shelf storage. And after clicking that, we have to enter the storage bin with respect to the ID which was given for us to perform the lab task. Then my ID was 095 STBN asterisk followed by 095. If we enter that, then and click, we have to, after entering this, we have to click on enter. After that, we will be seeing the storage bin value changing to this format, this specific format, after clicking enter. And then we also see the other details along with the storage bin format. This was about the first task, and followed. Now coming to the second task, we have done the second task was to run bin status report. In order to display this status report, we have to click on the run bin status report and click on run bin status report, and we have to select the one specific warehouse, that is San Diego warehouse. If we click F4 in the specific box of warehouse number, it will display the list of warehouses. We have to select the San Diego one, which is found by 100. And if after clicking that, if you execute, it will display the unfiltered, it will display an unfiltered report with a lot of bins, which will be displaying all the bins reports. But if we want to specifically know with respect to your ID, then what we have to do is we have to go back to the home button, and we have to enter the storage bin ID, which is STBN, which is nothing but storage bin asterisk followed by our ID. My ID is 095. After entering that, we have to click on execute. Then it will be displaying the list of storage reports with specific to our ID. This was all about the lab task which we have done as part of week 10 lab task. Thank you.